Congratulations, you just bought a home and also a lifetime prison sentence with a financial ball and chain. Enjoy. Yeah, about the whole owning your own home thing. What if I told you that banks have found a way to keep you paying for your house forever? Enter the age of 100-year mortgage, because apparently 30 years just wasn't long enough to milk you dry. Now lenders are saying, what if we just, I don't know, never let people finish paying off their homes, like ever? It is real, and it's happening in other countries, and it might be coming here next. The question is, does that really make homes more affordable, or are we just becoming glorified renters paying banks until we die? Now, let's talk about it. First off, who in the actual hell came up with this? Well, this brilliant idea has actually been around for some time. Japan started offering 100-year mortgages back in the 90s, and they called them intergenerational loans, which is just a cute way of saying, congratulations, your debt is now family heirloom. The US and Canada has been flirting with 50 and 100-year mortgages. Well, because when prices got too insane, the solution wasn't lowering them. It was just tricking people into believing that they can actually afford homes. And in the US, the 40-year mortgage is already here. And a 100-year loan, we're not that far off. Now, why would banks push this? For one, they love money. Longer loans mean more interest. More interest just means that banks stay winning. And if you never pay it off, they'll just repossess and resell that very same house, starting the whole game all over again. Let's do a quick reality check and see what this means for you. We're gonna break this down in real numbers. So if you look at a standard 30-year mortgage, it already means that you end up paying about double the home's purchase price over time. And a 100-year mortgage, you're paying for that house 4 times over. And here's the best part. You probably won't even loan enough to own it outright. So let's be clear. This isn't home ownership. It is a subscription service for your own damn house. But wait, somebody might ask, isn't this making homes affordable? Well, yeah, sure. The same way that a 60-month car loan makes a Lamborghini affordable. It's not affordable, it's just more debt. So is America actually headed here? I would love to say that it's some crazy idea and it will never ever happen. But 40-year mortgage is already being pushed as a solution to affordable homes. Adjustable rates, interest-only loans are making a comeback because, well, we totally learned our lessons from 2008 crash, right? Banks and institutional investors are gobbling up homes, and the more debt they can trap people into, well, the better for them. So yeah, 100-year mortgages aren't science fiction. They're knocking on the door, and guess what? You'll be making payments so long that your grandkids might still be paying off your house while living in your basement. And if this is not dystopian, well, I don't know what is. Now, how can you escape financial Hunger Games? Because just giving up home ownership is not an answer and is not the move. So here are the 4 things that you could actually be doing. You need to buy smart and not big. Forget McMansions. Buy what you can pay off in 15 to 20 years. The goal here is ownership and not a lifelong debt. Learn how to house hack like a pro. Buy duplex, triplex, live in one unit, rented the rest. Let your tenants pay their mortgage for you, so you're not stuck in a renting system. And then you can get assets that work for you. If you have a mortgage, buy an investment property and let it generate cash flow, not just be a financial sinkhole. Well, lastly, just question the whole damn system. If they start pushing 100-year mortgages, push back, demand better, because you shouldn't be stuck in a lifelong debt. And lastly, the question is, if you are still paying for the house after you're dead, well, was it even really yours? Comment below, and we'll see you on the next one.